Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into dissolution. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Dissolution, which means the action of formally ending or dismissing an assembly, partnership, or official body. Number 1. Termination, which means the action of terminating something or the fact of being terminated. Termination. For example, the termination of a contract. Number 2. Disunion, which means the breaking up of something such as a federation. Disunion. For example, his rejection of disunion was consistent with his nationalism. Number 3. Divorce, which means the legal dissolution of a marriage by a court or other competent body. Divorce. For example, her divorce from her first husband. Number 4. Suspension, which means the action of suspending someone or something or the condition of being suspended. Suspension. For example, his suspension from school. Number 5. Break up, which means the end of a relationship. Break up. For example, the breakup of the peace negotiations. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.